May batang nakikialam dun kay ate. Aba. Ano yan?
Sa TV.
Ay, hindi naman TV yan, laptop yan. Dito ka. Come here, nag-study sa ate dyan.
Ate, yes.
Hmm?
Okay.
Lagot tayo dyan. Come here na. Naku, lagot ka sa presentation ni ate. Ay, ang galing niya. Aba, what are you doing?
Okay, watch TV.
It's not TV.
Dear mommy.
What is that?
This watch TV, Abba.
You want to watch TV,
TV.
Aba? Eh, presentation ni
TV,
ate yan
Aba.
sa school. Hala, lagot. Ano yan? No! Let's go na.
Okay.
Come here na. Ang dami mo sinasabi, mapapagalitan lang tayo dyan. Come here na. Let's go. Aba.
Watch TV, Abba.
Oli ka dito. Let's go down na. Let's watch TV downstairs.
Okay. Watch TV, Abba.
It's not TV nga.
This name.
Let's go na. Let's go.
Mommy.
Hoy, ate is coming na. Come here na.
Oh, mommy day.
Come here na.
This is not the young mommy day.
What?
Then ate day.
Oh, magagalit nga sa ate Dane. Kasi
My name is ate day.
it's not TV naman.
This this mommy.
Ay, ang dami mo kasing sinasabi eh.
Mommy.
Oh, sino daw mapapagalitan?
Ate day.
Sino mapapagalitan?
This ate day.
Oh, si ate Dane magagalit kay Baby Aba. Oh,
Mommy, watch TV, Abba.
it's not TV nga. Oh, look. It's TV ba? What do you want to watch?
Mimi Mouse.
Ha?
What? Mimi Mouse, Abba.
Aba want to watch?
Mimi Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. Oh, it's not Mickey Mouse naman. Let's go down na. Let's watch Mickey Mouse.
Watch Mimi Mouse, Abba.
Oh. Let's go na. Tayong dalawa na mapapalo ni ate dyan. Lagot tayong dalawa talaga. Nako, lagot ka talaga, Aba. Let's go na. Aba.
Yes.
Oh, let's go. Come here.
TV.
Come here na. Huy, lagot. Naku, halika na.
This watch TV. Watch TV,
You want to
Abba.
watch TV? Ginawa daw siya.
Watch TV.
Ate, tinan mo daw. May ginawa daw siya dyan. Nag-watch siya ng TV.
Watch TV, Ate. I said Ate.
Oh, nag-sit daw siya dyan sa'yo. Sa upuan mo. Oh, tignan mo na yung ano mo. May sinasabi siya.
Ate.
Ay,
Hala. Ayan.
ay,
Ayun yung sinasabi.
ay, aba.
Oh, ano nang ginawa ni Ava? Papagalitan ba na ate?
Ay, ano to?
Lagot.
Ah. Hmm.
Ay.
Ay,
Ah.
ay. Anong ginawa ni Ava ate?
Ay, oh, this is mine na.
Mine.
This is mine na. This is mine na.
This is mine na.
This is mine na.
Mine na.
Huwag kayong mag-away.
Why?
You galaw my computer and this is my book. Say sorry muna.
Oh, sorry ka na daw. Ayun na, nag-sorry naman. Oh, kiss mo daw si ate.
Kiss mama na si ate.
Kiss na, sorry. Oh,
Hug
oh.
mo na si ate.
Okay po, wag na magalit ate.
For you.